how to fix the Solflare app not showing balance problem. Let's go ahead and start the video. The first thing you need to take care of is that make sure that your correct wallet is logged in. Go ahead and open the app, click on the three lines on the top left hand side and check out your wallet. If it is not the wallet, just go ahead and tap on edit, click on add wallet. You can start creating a new wallet, or you can log into your old wallet and check out your balance. The next step is sometimes the app will create problems. You can just go to the Play Store, go to the search bar and search for the app itself. So once you open the Solflare app, you can uninstall it and reinstall it once again. So go ahead and uninstall the app and reinstall it, and your balance might once again be shown. The next step is to tap on the app and go to its settings. You can force stop the app anytime. Go ahead and tap on force stop and click OK. The next step is to clear the cache. Tap on storage, click on clear cache at the bottom right hand side. Try to open the Solflare wallet app and your balance might now be showed. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.